Hello my friend, this is an episode of my planting of the pineapple plant in this farm. So I'm standing between rows of very healthy, you can see a very healthy pineapple. So we designed this kind of planting to make two rows so that we have enough space to clean between the rows. So I think this is 2 meters apart. This is good. Actually this is our second season, so second season of learning planting this pineapple. So the first season I started in 2016, where we able to start 2000 March 2017, 2015. In the middle of 2015, I think June, we started this pineapple plantation. At that time I was very excited, and I have to wait, my friend. We have to wait. I have to wait for another 2 to 3 years to see the result of that investment. But unfortunately, when time comes, those who recommend that kind of investment give me some problem. So I was left alone in this kind of farming, and then I lost my capitalization. Is for 2 years amounted about 2 million. That 2 million I was taking from my savings, so it was really, I was devastated. Very, I'm angry, but I cannot show my angriness, because that is when you are investing and somebody also leave you for so many reasons. I don't blame people. The only thing I've done here, I'm honest. So if that is the costly experience I experience here, so hoping this second season, this is already managed. We managed it. We planted those remnants of the 75,000 pineapples. So the second generation will be the suckers, and these are the results. If you see, this area is very, I am happy on this area. The pineapple is growing well. This is, my friend, a natural farming. Means natural means nothing we will do. We plant and leave it, like Mr. Popoka in Japan. His style. But here, the only thing here, I have to maintain the constantly weed between the rows of my pineapple, and also take some uprooting some my worker there. I have a worker there. He is only removing some grasses, but because this is covered with plastic, so that is little only, and he can reach by his arm without hurting him on the way. But the only thing I have to, between this row on this, we have to constantly do the weeding. If you're planting a pineapple, and you see the growth like this, of course you will be happy. This is satisfying between this row, this one, the other row. So one row maybe up to one row of this, up to that side of this row, maybe more than 100 of this pineapple we planted, and it is responding well on this area. It's healthy, as you can see. So later on my friend, I can if you consider on the far side, see that is rows of pineapple. You can see my workers is doing his thing there. So at the same time, I know it cost me at the time when I was working. It's like passing the blessings I have in working abroad. And since that, you know, now since that I am retiring, so I am no more you can say money or to spend for these people without. So I have to watch them, I have to check what they are doing, so it is very healthy at the side. Actually, he is also senior, the one who's you can see on the work. You can see that person was working there is so senior than me. So I just promised them as long they will work. I explained them also about my situation. I will pay their labors, and I'm happy with these people also. I think he's honest. He's old. He's older than me. He retired already. He had also children who is professionals, but he don't like to stay like at home. So we hired him. He was working for me for more than 2 years already. And my observation with my wife, he's honest. So if without talking, without one, he will do his job. So his job is only to maintain this hair or some errands in the farm, and to look for this pineapple. Really, as I'm busy, I'm always documenting, but I'm you know, my friend, this is to prove if you are I know no COVID, my friend. I know if you are working abroad, you have money, love of investment will come to your mind. I cannot also tell you what to do on your money, but this is what I did in my money, most of my savings. And my friend, I will mention my friend, work with me in Kuwait. I like my father, Mr. Percy Gragasin. When we are talking about money, is the one who is always telling me, don't put the eggs in one basket. So this is one of the basket. This is one of the basket I put most of my eggs, but not all. So I have to be careful about money, but I'm happy also. You can see here that is the mangoes. Beside, I show you another there. That is mangoes. That is mangoes. So I will in near future you will see I will do some do fruiting on this mango. I'm thinking about organically because mango cannot fruit naturally. This is the reality of these mangoes. It's not like rambutan, it's not like mangosteen. When it matures, really in season, it will fruit. But this mango, for those friends who want to plant mango, think before that what option you will do for making a fruit. Making that mango will give you fruits. So I will talk that to another episode of my vlog. I will just focus on this pineapple. Total, maybe here when I do the planting of second season, other side and this side, probably we reach 10,000 suckers. So a good start from recovering. From recovering on this investment, 10,000 suckers. Asa man tong namunga na, da nagsugod pa munga. Tong nag-harvest mo, asa mo tong nag-harvest? Adito ra, wala dire. Wa pa man yun kay. So this is agag ay. Agag, bang pangalan mo ay. And sometimes I mistook his name. He work with me also, with his wife. He's the caretaker of our farmhouse. Here in my farmhouses. So daily they are taking care of this. So just to clean. But their time is not sufficient because these grasses are cogong grass is very really like that one now. It is you can see it is one now. It is really clean now. If you let that for another month, these grasses will again. There is option for using herbicide, but I am not doing it on this farm. Unless only on that side of the pineapple, it is this happens. But this pineapple, we need to constantly remove the grasses like what we did. There are so many, see, if we not do this weeding here, this cogong grass will invade this one here. So once the pineapple also is healthy, this grasses will no longer a threat of this pineapple. So if you see that one, so that means it was fully clean and less cogong grass, and because this is having covered the plastic, you can see I covered this plastic. Huh? Huh? Sa? Dito. Batya. Di pa man siguro ito mundagan. My wife, ayaw ilabay ang kuwan, kaya kung tanawon. Napakan sila? Ito. I will stop now on this vlog. My wife reported there was some snake in the farmhouse, so we will go there.